You might have noticed here in the taskbar, then there is Copilot. It's a preview, but it's already available. And if you click on it, it will open up a sidebar in Windows 11 with Copilot. So basically right now it's not only in the browser and not only in the Microsoft 365 package, but it's also in Windows 11. So you can use Copilot more at an operational level in the operating system. And in here you can use Copilot as usual, as you would do in the browser. And in case you never use it in the browser, you can basically type here some questions to Copilot. For Copilot, you can type them, or you can use the microphone to ask a question. You can add an image, you can add the screenshot, and you, in case you use a text prompt, you have up to 2,000 characters. For example, here you can ask something like, can you tell me three interesting facts about science. This is just an example. So you ask the question, and Copilot, which is an artificial intelligence tool, will take a few moments to basically explore the internet and came up with a reply to you. And you will also have the sources here. So you will have listed where Copilot is taking this information from, and you can click on them and open up the web page to verify them. You can like the reply, you can dislike the reply. For example, in the case you didn't like the reply, you can dislike it, so you indicate that the reply is wrong. You can copy the reply, you can read it out loud, and you can also basically reply to Copilot, to the last answer, saying, okay, this is not the result I want. And Copilot will try to get a better result. So Copilot is also in Windows 11 now, which means that we are entering a new era of computers, of operating systems.